It's at it again. Day 2.
Day 2. Told y'all every day. Put some onions on there, trying to clean the greens. Yeah, we got some jerk chicken here.
Jerk, jerk.
Can you smell that?
Oh yeah, it smells great. Smell that allspice, whatever that is.
Yep.
Sounds good.
Allspice.
Brown sugar.
Yeah, I'm just gonna get a nice little sear on it, and then I'm gonna cook it low and slow after that.
Low and slow.
So this is my hot side, and this is my cool side. Feel me?
Feel you.
Also gonna put some smoked sausage. And they have my andouille sausage.
I know what you forgot.
What?
The kebabs.
Oh, they're in the refrigerator. I'm still gonna get them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Don't play with me.
Yeah, I'll get them.
I need them.
So I'm gonna cook them on this side once the chicken is off. So we'll do it like that.
Which is good, because that virus, they said when you sneeze or cough. When you sneeze or cough, they said it goes out like 6 feet in front of you. Or 60% out first. But when you sneeze and cough and it's hot outside, it only goes out 20%. So it keeps it more in towards people, which is good. One of those doctors on CNN said that. So I'm happy about that. Hopefully it'll get hotter.
Yep.
I don't like when it's hot, but shoot, I'm waiting now. Get hot.
You look good in that blue shirt. I think I said that the last time you had that blue shirt on.
I had long sleeves on.
Oh, yeah,
Short
yeah.
sleeve.
See, people still flying.
Wrong answer.
People still
They're
flying.
going away.
Yeah. They getting the heck up out of here.
Straighten that out.
Yeah, I'm kind of grilling on the uneven terrain, so.
Where you were yesterday, but it looked pretty flat and straight. Now it looks like it's leaning a lot.
Yeah.
Gotta fix that. Alright, we'll be back once the chicken looks like it's not still flying.
Bonk, bonk. I just wanted to get the sear on them. Am I on?
You are.
I'm live?
You're live.
Yeah, I just wanted to get the good sear on there. My smoke box finally starting to smoke a little bit. Still useless now. Yeah. Just wanted to get a nice little sear on there. Mm-hmm. Now I cook them low and slow until they're done 165 or higher. For me, 170, 175 is good. Hey, when it comes to chicken, I don't play. But yeah, so.
Let me get closer and let me check them out.
How juicy that is.
See, that's not dope. They still in there. See people, they still out there. Can you see them? They still in the water. I didn't touch them. Right.
Thought about it.
Not yet.
Thought about it.
Not yet.
But the chicken spot still got chicken, so we ain't got to, go to that level yet.
Not to that extreme, but guess what? Let us not be able to find no chicken. Duck is just gonna have to be next. Look, they in danger.
Smells so good though.
I know it does. You can smell it today.
I'm gonna turn this down now because I don't need all that heat.
Okay.
I'm just gonna let it cook low and slow.
All right.
Probably about another 50 minutes, low and slow.
Okay.
About to get them sausages on there now.
Oh yeah.
Them sausages.
Let me zoom on in and see what he got going on. Whoa. Yeah. I heard. What's going on there?
Put a little jerk seasoning on here.
Hold it in. good.
Oh yeah. Excuse the airplanes.
I know. They're in every video out here. Can't make them stop. I think you need to add some salt and pepper to these. Probably.
Don't worry about the sausage touching the chicken. The chicken is already tempted. Trying to read about 165. We're almost there. That's it. I'm gonna let this cook probably about another 15 minutes. I'm gonna temp it again. Make sure I'm still comfortable where it's at. And then I'm gonna pull it. See that sausage starting to pull apart? Love it.
Let me get up there.
I love when my sausage starts cooking like that. That's hot smoked sausage. It's gonna be really delicious. Let me know when you're ready to pull these off.
Okay.
This is looking pretty good.
Yeah, that one needs a little more time. It's bigger.
Yeah. Well, yeah, that's what we're doing. We'll flip these in probably about another 4 minutes. Flip these in another 4 minutes. And then another 4 minutes on the other side. Then I'll temp it again to make sure it's good. And I'll pull it off.
Okay.
Lose my heat.
Yeah, close it up. We'll be back. Break it open. It's still too hot, babe. Even for me.
That's what them sausages look like. What's it called? Shish kebabs. I ain't gonna lie, these shish kebabs were already made at an undisclosed location.
And they were excellent.
That sausage spicy? Or you haven't eaten it yet?
No, it's spicy. I ate that.
I told you, like when you grill them or smoke them, you still need to bring out all the spices.
It's so hot. Oh man, that's so good. Yeah, it brings it out.
The chicken's still on the grill. I got all the burners off except for one, so I'm trying to just cook it really, really low. And I almost want it to fall off the bone, you know.
Man.
So I'm just cooking it low and slow.
I want to try this. I can't take it off.
Too hot?
Yeah, it was.
Just pull it. Just bite it.
I'm not gonna just bite it.
Want me to do it for you? I'll bite it. Let me bite it.
That one's better.
Let me bite
Good
it.
though.
I'll bite it.
I can't touch that camera. Take that. Hold it up higher. Your jaws look like they're this big from the angle.
That's good. I like that one. Well, you know, I'm more of a beef, natural beef flavor
I
person.
like the other one because it has that
All I was missing is some salt.
tangy sweet.
Like I said, I didn't season these. I bought them like that, so, but they're still good. I'll definitely buy them again. So I'm gonna show y'all what this chicken looking like when I'm done with it. What you doing, sweetie?
Making some homemade breads.
Cheese sticks, huh?
Cheese bread sticks,
cheese
whatever
bread.
they call them. Cheesy bread.
Cheesy bread. There you go. You guys want the recipe? We will show you guys in a cooking video.
Yep.
Right now, she's just making it for us,
I am.
so we can eat it
Sounded great.
immediately.
Is that enough cheese?
I think so. I think so.
Says the cheese lover. Is that cheese? Okay, it's going in. how long does it go in?
About 12 minutes.
Okay. Clear this. Cook time? No. Timer.
Oh yeah, we're right at the smoky temperatures.
Oh wow, that looks so good.
Look at that. Look how tender it is. That's what I wanted. Yeah, the smoke flavor. I don't have no pimento wood, which is what you would use
Pimento?
for authentic jerk chicken. So these are Jamaican. But yeah, so for the record, this is not burnt chicken.
No,
This is not burnt chicken.
not at all.
This is jerk chicken. All jerk chicken is dark.
Oh, it smells so good.
And it's from the brown sugar. The brown sugar caramelizes and gets a dark color on it. But as you can see, it's still nice and tender, nice and juicy.